Continuing further, understanding the offset function, what we're going to see now is how this function offset can be used for data that is dynamic, something which keeps on changing. For example, let's say I want to find out the sum total of the sales up till the month of May 2011. Okay, so if we have to do this manually, up till May 2011 would be is equal to sum of the sales right from Jan up till May, right, which will give me the answer as 50. But then again, with this is what we're doing manually. Similarly, if I have to find out the sales up till the month of February, let's say, so again what we'll do is we'll sum up the sales right from Jan to Feb and we get this answer. But what I want is that there should be a formula which will help me directly calculate the sum total of the sales. So what I do is just input the month that I want and the sum total should change. Here, even though I'm changing the month, this total is remaining the same because I have put in a formula, and every time I change the month, I have to change this formula. That is what I don't want to do, and for that we're going to use the offset formula. But we cannot use that directly. Before that, we'll have to understand one more formula which we're going to use, which is the month formula, month. So if we type in is equal to month, this month basically returns the month, a number from 1 January to 12 December. Okay, let's try this out. As soon as you click on it, the syntax, it shows a serial number. Let's say the serial number is this one and we hit enter. You'll find that it is giving us the number 9, which is basically the position right from the reference cell where that month is. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rightly so, September is at the 9th position after the reference cell. This is the reference cell. After that 9 rows, September lies over here. Okay, so we are going to use this month along with the offset function, and this will help us to find out the sum of sales up till that particular month. Okay, so let's do that. This is going to be fairly simple. What you need to do is you need to type is equal to sum, and now we're going to use the offset function first, right? So offset, it asks for the reference. The reference is going to be the month only, right? We are referring to the particular month. Next, it asks for the rows and columns. Again, they're going to be 1, 1 only, since we want the sales for that particular month, the rows and columns. The next thing is going to be the height and width. For this, we'll have to insert the month formula. So we use the month formula, which will ask us for the serial number. So the serial number is going to be E9. We close that. Further, the width of this particular cell is going to be 1. So we type in 1. We do not want to move on to any other set of array. We're just going to move 1 towards the width. That will be the width. We close this bracket. This closes the offset function as well as the sum function now. Okay, so 2 brackets and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, this is basically giving us the sum total up till the month of September. If you had to do this manually, we just add up right from Jan till September, and you find that the answer is rightly 26. Let's say I change this. I want the total up till July. You'll find that the sum total has now changed automatically. So from Jan to July, if you see, the sum over here is 19 and the count is 7. Correct? You can just keep on changing it for the month you want to find out. So as soon as you change the month, the total sales up till that particular month is available to us. Right? So this is now become dynamic. You can change your data and the value that you want, the total that you want is now changing. Fine. So this is how you use the offset function for dynamically changing range.